Hey everyone, I am doing today the backwards slime challenge. It's not in any form. There goes my phone. Right here. Yeah, I know, it's not in any more, but I don't care. I've always wanted to try it. Now that I have my ingredients for it, I will. So I'm only going to do a little bit because I only need a little bit left for this. Left. So yeah. I'm gonna get all my ingredients. Hey everyone. So I have all my ingredients. I'm not gonna turn it into a color because if I'm just making a little bit and yeah. So you're wondering, why do you have this bowl filled? So I'm gonna use this bowl since already, guys. Oh, it didn't. Since I'm only making a little tiny batch of slime. And yeah, guys, I have a lot of slime. I'm just gonna buy myself some more containers to make a lot. Yeah, I don't know where to put it. So I'll just put it right there and watch out for it. Or no, I can put it right there. So yeah, first I'm obviously gonna do this first. That's just our phone. That's how much I'm gonna add. Or not. That's how much I'm gonna add. And then do shaving cream. That's how much shaving cream I'm gonna put. And now I'm gonna add my glue. Okay, guys. Now you're probably gonna say, Emily, you have to do it for 1 minute. You don't have to. It's definitely your choice. So this is really working out. This slime, I hope, works. I'd rather do all of the steps in order than backwards. I don't know, it's just, that's what I think. That's my opinion. If you saw my music with my dancing, that was awesome, and I'm going to keep on doing that for you guys. I just want to let you guys know. Because I love doing it. I hope you guys love it too. This is really soaking wet, but it's coming along. At least it's not, at least it's working. I think this needs a little bit more glue, that's it. I added too much activator, that's the problem. Because it's just like soaking wet. It like turned out to be blubber. It's going to turn out to be blubber, but I don't know. coming along, you guys. I'm good at making slime. It's just that I have to do it in order. If it's not in order, it's not good. And I have to mix it in with my blue slime. I just have to. Or any slime, I don't have to. I feel like I'm a chef, kind of. It's still so wet, but I guess not. I think you just need to, like, eat it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this did not turn out good. I told you guys that you definitely should do it in order because it's just not look good. It's blubber, you guys. Did not turn out to be slime. It turned out to be blubber, and I don't like that. So now my other slime is gonna have to come in here. I don't care if it gets ruined. I didn't really like this slime anyway, so. It's still okay. Okay. I guess it did turn out to be slime, because it is stretchy. Okay, now it looks okay. And it's ready to be mixed. By the way, this blue slime, it's my favorite slime. So I just hope it does not get ruined. Just gonna put my stick. And it's not even sticking, but if you put it in there. Okay, now it's going together. I just hope this doesn't ruin it. The stretchiness. Because this slime is the stretchiest slime. I was like thinking because it did that. But it really is. Okay, let's try to stretch it. It's a little bit worse than it ever was, but this is not my stretchiest slime anymore. My purple one is, but if we just let this sit for a day, it's probably gonna go back. Yeah. That was my backwards slime challenge. I hope you liked it.